Maori Leadership Group is essentially we've partnered with Te Puni Kōkiri to look at how do we create more leaders to represent Maori at all levels through the business. So the program is a number of people from all communities, and it's a lot about identifying Maori leaders within the business with that can tie their lineage back to their heritage. And it's about recognising and trying to give them confidence and create that courage that we need as leaders across the business.
This morning we've had a very interesting session just going around doing our pepeha, our individual stories, and sharing them with one another.
People have just really opened up about who they are and their own journey, and that's kind of enough to start the whole ball rolling. I think there's a real excitement in there about where this maybe could go.
We're using horses as a training tool because horses are a herd animal. They're always looking for a leader. The great thing about horses is that they give you immediate feedback. So the sort of feedback these guys are getting about their body language, their energy, their leadership skills is immediate, it's honest. Can't get this anywhere else.
From day one, I started taking back a more positive attitude for being recognised in the workplace and trying to uphold myself as a Māori in the workplace.
Each time we meet, even though this is only the second time, we find out so much more about each other, and I've actually picked up on some things that I could probably improve, like help improve in what I do to help these guys.
This is the first time I've been in a Māori program. I've never ever learnt how to be a Māori in a business sense, so it's been quite an eye-opener, you know, had lots of aha moments.
Everyone has potential, and I think this course has brought out the potential in each and every one of the participants. The growth from day one to today has been absolutely transformational.
Every one of us is now talking as a family. We're whānau, we're brothers and sisters, and we're there to guide and support each other.
I remember when I first did the pilot program, I didn't want to do it because I thought I was a leader, but I didn't think I was a Māori leader. Now I'm part of the Māori Leadership Board, which is a privilege and an honour. So having completed the course, it's a lot easier for myself to pass on that same message and encourage the guys to take those next steps. So I think out of the 15 participants from the first pilot program, I think there's about 12 of us who have taken a promotion. So clearly the program works.
I've come away thinking that my work colleagues are also my whānau, and that with the support that I've received, with the awhi that I have felt from Māori Leadership Group, I can do anything.